Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, so we will continue the discussion in this video. This is the second video. Okay, basically, in the previous video, we have discussed how to calculate goodwill on acquisition of S1 Bandai Berhad. Okay, so you can see that at the end, the amount is bagian purchase of 13 million. Okay, let's proceed with S2. Okay, Cerdik Berhad. Okay, so you can see here the information. Holding acquired 60 million. Okay, so percentage is not given here in this S1 S2. So you will need to identify the total amount of ordinary share capital of S2. So the total amount you can find from statement of changes in equity. So can you see here we have 100 million share, 100. So 60 million over 100 is 60%. So here it shows that this Cerdik is a subsidiary of Bijak Holding Company. Okay, so however, if you read this additional information, you cannot find consideration transfer. It is not given directly in this page. You can find consideration transferred from SoftP. Okay, so can you see here investment in Cerdik Berhad 113. So this is basically CT. Okay, consideration transferred. So consideration transferred is 113. This is from SoftP. Okay, so when holding acquire 60%, meaning 40% belongs to subsidiary. So NCI is 40% here. So can you see here given NCI measured at 80 million. Okay, then fair value of net asset of this subsidiary too. Okay, you can get this share capital in SOCE. Okay, can you see here SOCE of this S2 Cerdik? So ordinary share capital 100, retained profit 20, profit for the year -5. This is retained loss. Okay, when it is in bracket, it is actually a loss. So what happened? Okay, retained profit is not given directly in this paragraph, but bear in mind, okay, the date of acquisition of S2 here is during the year. Remember the accounting period is on 1st January 18 until 31st December 18. So this is exactly 6 months after the start of accounting period. So what you will do, okay, when you calculate retained profit, okay, share capital is 100. So retained profit here consists of 2. So we have retained profit BD 20 and profit for the year. So profit for the year will be 6 over 12, half of 5, which is, but this 5 is negative. So this is 2.5 million. So that's why you can see here 20 million minus 2.5 million, which is 17.5 million. Okay, so this is negative. Sorry, it's a positive. 20 minus negative 2.5 is positive 17.5. And then PPE, okay, can you see here fair value 5 million but carrying value 4. So there is an increase. Okay, this is a surplus on revaluation. Okay, so and then given the question, impairment is 10%. Okay, here you can find impairment from additional information number H. Okay, H. So that is actually for S2. Okay, so you will get goodwill here for this S2. Okay, let's move to Wave Berhad. So Bija acquired 50 million out of 200 million. So it shows that 50 over 200 is 25%. So this is associate. Okay, 25%. So calculation of goodwill for this associate, similar like previous two company. So this is CT. So CT given here 110. So you will calculate total amount of ordinary share capital retained earning of this Wave Berhad, where you can refer from this statement of changes in equity. Can you see here we have ordinary share 200, retained profit 52, profit for the year 10. Okay. So since retained profit on that date was given at 32. So 200 plus 32 is 232. So you times with 25%. Okay, we don't have NCR here because this is associate. Times 25%, you get 58. So this is the amount of goodwill for associate. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have a second acquisition for S1. Okay, we have here Bandai Berhad. Okay, Bandai Berhad. So additional in this information, can you see here we have on 1st January 18, Berhad Bija acquired 10%. And this is exactly the start of accounting period. Okay, so start of accounting period, there is an increase from 70% to 80% of the issued share capital. CT 20 million ringgit given. Okay, so the fair value of the net asset of Bandai on that date was equal to its carrying value, except for the piece of land that has a fair value of 8 million higher than its carrying value. Okay, I would like to show you. Okay, this is actually the difference between when you calculate bargain purchase for the first time. This is on 1st of July 17, and this is what happened on 1st of January 18. This is the second acquisition. Bear in mind, fair value of net asset of subsidiary here, you have to make sure like item like ordinary share capital, because we assume there is no issue of share in between these two dates. So it will be the same, 180. Okay, you will carry the same amount. Retained profit definitely not the same because 1 year has passed by. So amount of retained profit is not given directly from this paragraph, but you can get the figure in statement of changes in equity. So this is statement of changes in equity of this S1. So can you see here, given 1st January 2018, exactly the same day, this is the first day of accounting period 99. So ordinary share capital is 180, retained profit 99, and then ARR just now given 8 million higher. So this is fair value of net asset of subsidiary on the second acquisition on 1st July 18. So you can get 287, you times with 10%, the increase in shareholding, and you will get, when CT is more than fair value, so it is gain. Sorry, CT is less than fair value is gain. However, if CT is so this is gain. Okay, however, if CT is more than fair value, so it's a loss on second acquisition. This is actually an increase from sub to sub, which is from 70% to 80%. Okay, we will continue in the next video. Thank you.